Gates open, they're up and racing. Sweet Temper Soul Provider moving up in between runners. Dragon May is running by the row. Joining them, Northern Arrow, Banay, Beautiful Maze Pass approaching on the outside. Federer comes next, Bliss, Butcher, and Vermont. As they round towards the last 600, Soul Provider, the favorite in command by Tew. Running in second, Dragon May, Northern Arrow in between runners, Beautiful Miss. Moving up by the Rayleigh entry number 4, and that's Federer. As they turn for home, Soul Provider running at the center. Federer moving up by the rail, Northern Arrow by the rail, Dragon May is on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Federer, Soul Provider, Northern Arrow, and Dragon May. With 100 to go, Federer, followed by Soul Provider, Dragon May, and finally Federer, Dragon May. Soul Provider, Northern Arrow, Beautiful Miss, Banay close. With Vermont, then comes Sweet Temper, Bliss, and Butcherer comes in last.
436.